Welcome to the second part of how to invest in Dubai real estate. So, as we discussed in the first part, we understood so many aspects about Dubai as a market, what exactly is happening in Dubai, what are the several different areas where you can invest, what has Dubai done in the past, and what they are planning to do in the future. But when we are discussing all those aspects, you must have heard about this area called as Dubai South. Today in this video, I have our guest Mr. Shahabuddin. He is one of my mentor. He is the expert on Dubai South, and from his perspective, we are going to understand about what is Dubai South, what is happening over there, why everyone's eye, the entire world's eyes are on this particular location, why everyone is mad to invest in Dubai South, and what are the projects over there, where exactly we can make good money in the future. We are going to understand from his perspective, and he's going to make us understand that. So I would hand over the entire platform to him, and he's going to let us know what exactly we are going to do.
Hi everyone, my name is Shahabuddin Ahmed. I've been into this industry for many years. Many of my colleagues come and ask me if somebody asks their investor, asks them which location to invest. There is no second thought about it apart from Dubai South. There is no better location where someone has to invest it. And now, why Dubai South? Before even we talk about Dubai South, we need to understand the dynamics of the real estate, how it works. Any real estate, gives a good appreciation when a lot of infrastructure development is on place. It's not only from the government and the private development as well as the joint venture of government infrastructure comes. That's where you make your real estate makes a lot of money. Okay. Now let's talk about Dubai South. What is coming in Dubai South? Everybody talks about the airport. Airport is not the only criteria what Dubai South is coming down with. Okay, there is business corridor which is coming up, and we talk about metro. Metro is coming there. Rail is going to operate for the passenger. Now, Dubai South. Whenever you are entering into a real estate, you need to understand on what age you are entering into it. There are 3 stages of real estate. One is an early stage, the second one is a mid stage, and the third one is a maturity level. Okay, so Dubai South is an early stage. So if you own a property in Dubai South at this stage, at the price point of 1,000 to 1,400, it's a guaranteed assurance that your property prices will grow to 3,000 to 3,500 because Dubai South is going to be a next downtown. Today, if you wanted to own a property in Dubai downtown, bare minimum you have to pay 3,000 to 3,500 dirhams per square feet. That is going to be in Dubai South. So there are major 3 developments which is coming in Dubai South. One is the Al Maktoum Airport, which is the largest in the world and which is connecting more than 190 countries with a capacity of 260 million passengers. Second major development is in Jebel Ali Port, okay, which is second largest in the world, which will have a major import and export business, which is going to happen from here. Third is in Jebel Ali Industrial Area, where already the 86,000 companies have already registered. These 3 major developments required a huge manpower. Now let's understand where are these people going to stay. Of course, they wanted to stay close by the offices, right, which is going to be in Dubai South. We are going to discuss about one of the community which offers starting from studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and mansion. And my colleague is going to take you with a project. Thank you so much for the listening. Have a nice day.
Hi guys, I'm Disha Jain. So I will be taking you around Azizi Venice today. So as you can see, this is 750 meters long Boulevard Mall. You can see the world's second largest opera house is being built just beside the mall. Okay, you can also see all of these buildings lagoon facing, surrounded by water. So you can experience water sports, you can have an access to the Boulevard Mall. You will also have access to the cable car. You can also check the metro station, which is right at the gate of this community. All in all, this is very close by to Al Maktoum Airport, which is just 4 minutes drive from here. You can expect massive capital appreciation, great rentals, since all the big brands will be coming inside the mall, tourists which will be coming to Dubai, they will be getting down from their airport and will be coming over here to stay in Airbnbs, because this is really good. All of these units, maximum units, are facing to the lagoon. So you will have an access to the lagoon, to water sports, mall, opera house, and also to the exclusive luxury mansions starting from 45 million onwards. You can also see the entire green patch. You can see the mosque, school and hospital. So these are the factors that will lead to huge capital appreciation if you buy in this community.
So right now we are at the center of Dubai South. At my back you can see this is the passenger terminal of Al Maktoum International Airport. Currently flights are operational from here. On my left hand side you can see Emaar South. This is a development by Emaar developer where they are having a golf course community. When you go straight from this road, you reach towards the Emirates Road. Now, when you come towards this particular part, on my right hand side, this is the DWC Peripheral Road. From here, you can reach to Jebel Ali Port, Expo City within 15 minutes. From here, the location of Azizi Venice is just 4 minutes away. You can see it on my screen. The distance from this particular pin location towards the Azizi Venice Sales Center is just 4 minutes away. That is the location proximity for this development. So Dubai South के बारे में अगर हम बात करें, how Dubai South is expanding in last many years, what exactly are the developments that are happening over there, and वहाँ पे कौन सी communities exactly आज के time पे boom कर रही है, we heard all those things. But just to give you a concluding note on what all we have seen through this video is, Dubai South is going to be the next big thing in entire UAE. अगर आप वो पूरा पैच अगर देखोगे तो दुबई साउथ के जस्ट ऊपर आता है आपका जबल अली इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया एंड जबल अली फ्री जोन एरिया. रिसेंटली आई विजिटेड विद वन ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स. सो दुबई का जो लास्ट बॉर्डर है जहाँ के बाद अबू धाबी स्टार्ट होता है, द जबल अली इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया फेज 2 and 3 आर ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड. The Jebel Ali Free Zone area is going to have the Bharat Mart very soon in 2026, and just above that you have the Jebel Ali Port. So the entire line, which is starting from Al Maktoum International Airport going up to Jebel Ali Industrial Area and Jebel Ali Port, is going to be the commercial corridor. And when I say this word commercial corridor, means that D33 agenda, the D33 economic agenda of UAE is going to have 35% of their GDP value gained from this area itself, and that's a very huge margin I'm saying. And जिस टाइम पे यहाँ से इतना ज़्यादा कमर्शियल बिजनेस होगा तो मैन पावर भी उतना ही वहाँ पे आएगा, एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस थिंग्स ओनली द पैरामीटर्स फॉर द रेसिडेंशियल्स विल इवन मोर इंक्रीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिमांड. एंड अगर आज के टाइम पे अगर आप वहाँ का आप सप्लाई देखते हो इट्स वेरी मिनिमल कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट्स। अगर आप पुरानी दुबई को भी देखोगे तो पुरानी दुबई भी इसी तरीके से बनी थी। आपका जो पुराना एयरपोर्ट है द दुबई एयरपोर्ट, DXP एयरपोर्ट, वे यू हैव टर्मिनल 1 2 3, उसके जस्ट ऊपर राशिद पोर्ट था जहाँ से प्रीवियसली सारी व्हाट वी से कार्गोज, लोडिंग अनलोडिंग ये सब चीज़ें होती थी। The exact same scenario is now getting replicated in Dubai South. Dubai South का exact total size है 145 square kilometer, out of which 70 square kilometer is alone given to Al Maktoum International Airport, and this airport is going to be one of the biggest international airports in the world, which is going to have the capacity of 260 million passengers annually with 5 runways and 400 gates. Not only this airport, but along with that you're going to have your logistics city over there, you're going to have the business corridor over there, Dubai wholesale city is going to be there, Dubai industrial city is already active over there, and most of the industrial areas in the old Dubai like Ras Al Khor industrial area, Al Quds industrial area, most of the people have been already asked to vacate their places in those areas and they're shifting their workplaces to Dubai industrial city. So now Dubai is structuring the entire master plan of their land parcel. They are making sure the city habitat remains the same. People who come to Dubai today to enjoy the city tourism habitat, the city habitat should enjoy their time in the old part of Dubai. But when they want to see something new in Dubai as well, they have something over here. So recently, last year itself, Palm Jabal Ali was launched, and that gained a very massive response from the people as well. It was sold out within hours. जब आप देखते हो, जब आप इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में बैठे हो अपने कंट्री से, आप हर दिन एक नई न्यूज़ सुनते हो कि दुबई में कोई प्रोडक्ट आता है और सोल्ड आउट हो जाता है, दुबई में कुछ नई चीज़ आती है सोल्ड आउट हो जाती है. दिस आर नॉट जस्ट द रूमर्स विच वी सी, बट एज अ रियल्टर सिंस लास्ट मेनी ईयर्स आई हैव सीन दिस प्रैक्टिकली हैपनिंग. कोविड के पहले का रिस्पॉन्स एंड कोविड के बाद का रिस्पॉन्स, नॉट ओनली द इन्वेस्टर्स अप्रोच but the government's approach towards the guidelines has also changed. The government wants the world to see Dubai as the next big destination. सारे HNIs को attract करने के लिए, सारे entrepreneurs को, job loving people को, the people who wants to have their family in a very good habitat, they are making the city like the luxury experience for everyone. And the best part is it's tax free. Every single penny you earn over here is tax free. मैं इंडिया से हूँ एंड आई नो मैं कितना टैक्स पे कर रहा था वहाँ पे, एंड आज के टाइम पे जो मेरी पिछले कुछ सालों से सेविंग्स हुई और उस वजह से जितनी चीज़ें मैं खुद अचीव कर पाया हूँ, उस बेसिस पे आई कैन टेल यू वन सिंपल थिंग दैट अगर आप अपने लाइफ का एक साल भी दुबई को दोगे तो यू विल बिकम द नेक्स्ट बिग मिलियनर. And that 1 year is something, either you start working over here or you start investing over here, because owning a piece of land in Dubai today will make you the millionaire of the next decade. And this is आज के टाइम पे डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट्स कभी कहीं डिलीट नहीं होते. 10 साल बाद मैं यही वीडियो को वापस आप लोगों के सामने लाऊंगा एंड यू विल सी द अमेजिंग थिंग्स विच दुबई हैज डन. एंड मैं बस बोलने के लिए या फिर आप लोगों को लुभाने के लिए ये चीज़ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I have seen it happening. I know what plans are already in picture. The air taxis, the new infrastructure developments, Dubai Loop, the walkable city master plan, the Al Maktoum International Airport, industrial areas getting more boom, Expo City having more HNI companies over here, and all these small efforts where they are increasing the infrastructure of the roadways. The connectivity is very easy. Now in today's date, the 60-kilometer distance can be achieved within 60 minutes. आप इंडिया में हो, आप के टाइम पे आज हम बैंगलोर में देखते हैं, पुणे, मुंबई जो हमारे बड़े शहर है, उस टाइम वहाँ पे 10 किलोमीटर के लिए भी 60 मिनट लग जाते हैं. एंड द काइंड ऑफ कनेक्टिविटी वी सी ओवर देयर, द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप वी सी देयर इज अ मैसिव डिफरेंस इनटू दैट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग इंडिया इज बैड, बट कंसिडरिंग व्हाट दुबई हैज डन फॉर मी एज एन इंडिविजुअल, इट हैज ऑलरेडी impacted माई लाइफ एंड माई फैमिलीज लाइफ. सो जब आप दुबई साउथ इस लोकेशन पे आते हो, दुबई साउथ आज के टाइम पे आपका जो पर स्क्वायर फीट रेट है इज़ वेरी मिनिमल. इट्स जस्ट 1000 to 1300 दिरहम पर स्क्वायर फीट. वेयर जब आप एक मेन मैच्योर्ड लोकेशन पे जाते हो लाइक दुबई मरीना, पाम जुमेरा, यू गो टू डाउनटाउन दुबई, द पर स्क्वायर फीट रेट ओवर देयर इज एनीवेयर इन बिटवीन 3500 दिरहम to 7000 दिरहम पर स्क्वायर फीट. मैं आपको आज एक ऐसी जगह पे इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए सजेस्ट कर रहा हूँ जो जगह अभी जाके शुरू हो रही है. तो आप सोच सकते हो कि बाय द टाइम नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 ईयर्स जब ये पूरी जगह टोटली डेवलप हो जाएगी, उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम की डिमांड एंड द काइंड ऑफ सप्लाई दिस एरिया विल हैव, यू आर गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट बिग मिलियनर. सो जैसे मेरे कलीग मिस्टर शहाबुद्दीन, He is actually my mentor, and my other colleague, Miss Disha, the way she has told you guys about Azizi Venice as well. Now, telling you guys about Azizi Venice. Azizi Venice is a project which is going to be the next cultural district of Dubai South. We already have a cultural district in Dubai, that is downtown Dubai, where you have your Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. Last year itself, 110 million people visited Dubai Mall, and that's the footfall of this particular area. Imagine having such footfall in Dubai South, where you own a piece of apartment over there, where you own a piece of land over there, you have made an investment at a very early stage of 1000 to 1500 dirham per square feet, and you're sitting at that benchmark. Imagine what your earnings will be in the future. आपका ROE and आपका ROI दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ेंगे. एंड अजीजी वेनिस को कल्चरल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ बिकॉज जहाँ जहाँ पे दुबई गवर्नमेंट ने खुद से इन्वेस्टमेंट करी है वो एरिया हमेशा बूम हुआ है. जस्ट टू गिव एन एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट वॉज डाउनटाउन, जहाँ पे इमार इज द मेन डेवलपर, बट वॉट दे डिड विद द कोलैबोरेशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट दे बिल्ड बुर्ज खलीफा ओवर देयर इन दुबई मॉल. एंड देखिए आज उस एरिया के प्राइसेस क्या है. सिटी वॉक बाय मिराज, वहाँ पे दुबई गवर्नमेंट ने कोका-कोला अरीना बनाया, which is the biggest arenas where many of the concerts happen in today's date, and आज सिटी वॉक के प्राइसेस बहुत ज़्यादा है. ब्लू वाटर आइलैंड बाय मिराज, जहाँ पे आइन दुबई है. आइन दुबई is a project by government with collaboration with Miraz. They did that project, and today's Blue Waters Island prices are very high. Expo City. Expo City is a project by government where they held the Expo 2020 summit over there, COP28 summit over there, and today the residential prices over there are reaching the heights of skies. And the same thing is going to happen in Azizi Venice. Azizi Venice is a residential project of apartments and mansions, but in that, government is building a Boulevard Mall. You're going to have the Opera House, the 4th largest opera house, 2 5-star hotels, hospitals, nurseries, schools, retails, and everything. And the best part is the metro station and the Etihad rail are just at the front gate of this particular community. Next thing is you're going to have the cable car access. For the very first time, a community in the world is going to have a cable car access from the metro station to the mall, and that's going to be a attractive thing for the tourists as well. You're going to have 18 kilometers of long crystal clear lagoon, which is again one of the masterpieces, and the developer who is developing all these things are making sure they are abiding the rules by government, and they are delivering this particular masterpiece as soon as possible. So what are you waiting for? We have already shared all the details with you. You must have seen all the glimpse of all the master plans, what all we have to show you on today's date. So if you are really aligned to see and to be a part of this revolution happening and making you a millionaire in the next decade, you know whom to contact. We are always here to help you out. Whatever questions, queries you have, get in touch with us. We'll make sure you are getting the best output for your questions, and you are making the right choice for the investment in Dubai. Thank you so much for watching us. See you in the next video.